foamy urine, puffy eyes, more bathroom trips than usual. These can be signs of protein leaking into your urine. It's not a disease itself, but a warning sign that your kidneys need help. Today, we'll cover 6 everyday superfoods that support blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol key drivers behind protein leakage, plus simple portions and precautions. Proteinuria. In 30 seconds, your kidneys filter blood through millions of microscopic strainers. Glomeruli. When those are damaged or blood pressure, blood sugar, or cholesterol run high, protein slips through into urine. The goal? Protect the filters.com/inflammation and optimize blood flow and metabolic control. Lifestyle levers that help cut sodium. Move daily, sleep well, stop smoking tobacco, and build a kidney-smart plate. Plants. Fiber, healthy fats, right-sized protein. Minimal, ultra-processed foods. The 6 superfoods. Red bell peppers. Why they help. Low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. High in vitamin C, vitamin A, fiber, and anthocyanins that counter oxidative stress and support vascular health. Better BP and metabolic control equals less protein leak. Portion guide. 1 cup chopped as a snack. Salad add-in or sauté base. Easy wins, roast and blend into a low-sodium pasta sauce. Slice with hummus. Saute with onions and garlic for soup. Stew starters. Quinoa. Why it helps. Complete plant protein plus fiber and magnesium to support blood sugar and blood pressure. Gentler on kidneys than many refined grains. Helpful when you need quality protein without excess phosphorus. Portion guide. 1 cup cooked per meal within your protein plan. Pro tips. Buy pre-rinsed quinoa, less bitter saponin. Batch cook and freeze flat in bags for quick bowl. Cabbage. All colors. Why it helps. Fiber, vitamin C, and phytosterols that can support cholesterol management. Glucosinolates and polyphenols for anti-inflammatory support. Kidney note. Cabbage contains potassium, generally moderate. If you have a potassium restriction, portion it. See below. Portion guide. 1 cup raw or 1/2 cup cooked. Easy wins. Crunchy slaw with olive oil plus lemon. Quick stir fry. Small servings of rinse and drain sauerkraut for gut support. Watch sodium. Avocados. Why they help. Monounsaturated fats plus fiber support LDL reduction. Satiety and glycemic control. Good news for kidneys and proteinuria. Kidney note. Higher potassium. Whether you should limit depends on your labs, CKD stage, and dialysis type. Many early stage CKD or transplant patients don't need potassium restriction. Confirm with your team. Portion guide. 1/4 1/3 avocado per serving. Count toward daily potassium and calories. Easy wins. Mash with lime, cilantro, and chopped peppers. Avocado slices over quinoa. Cabbage bowls. Extra virgin olive oil. EVU. Why? It helps. Rich in polyphenols, oleocanthal, hydroxytyrosol, and oleic acid that support blood pressure, lipids, and inflammation. Core drivers of kidney damage and protein leak. Portion guide. 1-2 TBSP per day. Calorie dense. Pro tips. Best as a finishing oil, dressing, or low to medium heat sauté. Choose dark glass, metal bottles. Store cool and sealed. Walnuts. Why they help. Omega-3 south, magnesium, fiber, and plant protein support, vascular health, glucose control, and satiety. Antioxidants help counter oxidative stress in kidney tissue. Kidney note. Moderate phosphorus, potassium usually workable in small portions. Portion guide. 1 ounce, about 14 halves. Daily easy wins. Sprinkle on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Blend into a pepper walnut dip. Avoid candied salted versions. Simple kidney smart plate. Half plate. Non-starchy veggies, bell pepper, cabbage, leafy greens. 1/4 plate. Quality protein. Quinoa bowl. Fish egg whites as advised. 1/4 plate. Smart carbs. Quinoa, barley, brown rice as tolerated healthy fat. Avocado portion or a few walnuts flavor. Garlic, onions. Herbs skip the salt shaker hydration. Follow your care team's guidance. Diuretics, dialysis, needs vary portions and precautions, potassium. Avocado and some veggies, fruit add up. If your potassium runs high, aim for lowercase swaps and keep portions modest. Phosphorus, nuts and grains contain some small portions typically fit most plans. Follow your phosphorus binders if prescribed. Blood sugar. Quinoa greater than white refined carbs for steadier glucose. Pair carbs with fiber plus fat plus protein. Weight, EVU. And nuts are heart-healthy but calorie-dense. Measure, sodium. Ultra-processed foods and pickled items can spike intake RINs. Read labels, cook at home. Supplements. Food first. Be cautious with concentrated extracts unless your clinician recommends them. Pregnancy, temporary spikes. Exercise, hydration, stress. And pregnancy can cause temporary proteinuria. Ways check with your clinician. When to call your clinician: new or worsening swelling, foamy urine, shortness of breath, fatigue, or decreased urine output. Ask about monitoring: BP, A1C, glucose, lipids. UAC or albumin-creatinine ratio, eGFR. Electrolytes, especially potassium. Med review: avoid NSAID overuse. Share all meds and supplements. Conclusion: Proteinuria improves when you support the root causes: blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, and inflammation. Build your day around bell peppers, quinoa, cabbage, avocado if potassium allows, EVU, and walnuts. Small, consistent choices protect your kidney filters. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you never miss a Kidney Smart video.